How to sign up for Tour Builder and use it for this assignment. So first of all, you go to Tour Builder. Looks like this, and you click on Sign In. And if you're signed in here, it automatically signs you in. So then you are going to go to with Google to Tour Builder. Then you're going to start your tour. So you click on Create Your Tour, and you're going to call it My Tour, and you put your first name and last initial, your real first name, last initial, and you're going to create your tour. The first slide is the introduction tour. It's different than the other ones. So this puts your tour name and your first name. See if you have to edit that. We're going to add a photo in a minute, and I'm just going to put in 2 sentences here. Welcome to my tour. I will be showing you 3 in 3 different continents. I'm going to add a photo. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it in case it doesn't work for you. So if you click on Add a Photo, you're going to go to your planning, and you've put in, I'm going to show you the one that works right off the bat first. I'm going to copy this URL, and I go to here, and I'm going to put in my image by URL and paste it. Oops, I have to click on image by URL, duh, and paste it, and that comes up. Then you're good. You click on select. I'm just going to get rid of it for a minute and show you one that doesn't quite work right. So I go to a Pixabay, and some flickers don't quite work right, but I'll show you the workaround. So I'm going to add a photo by URL, and you get this. So just make a new tab and paste the URL, and it should come up. If it's a Pixabay, you can right click and save the image as, and go put it in your Tech Tools folder, or go to free download and download, and it comes up. I'm going to save it in my images. I'm going to call it luggage. Click on save. Then when you go to your tour, you would have to upload photos. So if you can't get it by URL, there's always a workaround. So that's the one I'm going to use. And that's how I start my first introduction. And I just want my introduction to start here. This doesn't matter that much. So the next part will be about how to add your 3 locations. My 3 locations, one at a time. So after I'm done with my introduction, I have it how I want my picture, my sentences introducing it. I'm going to go to Add Location, and I put in where it is. So Munich, Germany. And I'm going to start with my placeholder. You could just leave it right here, but I think I want it a little closer so I can see kind of more of, and that this part is totally up to you what you want to show on your tour. and I'm just doing a city, so I'm going to stay probably right here. So then I click on Add to Tour, and then you can click on Center the Place Mark. If you didn't like it, you go back, and I could lock this view. This, again, is up to you, but I want a place mark somewhere on near your landmark or your city. And then I'm going to add my photo. So again, I'm going to by URL. So I go to my first place. And here's my URL of my image. Hopefully it works. Did I copy that? And paste it. That's it. So click on Select. Again, if it didn't work, you would make a new tab and you'd have to save it to your TechTools folder. We're not doing anything with the start date and end date. So this is where you put in your 2 sentences, and I have my sentences right here. So I can just copy and paste. You can make them bold. I could change the text a little bit. Okay, and that's good. So again, I have my place mark, I have my name, I have my picture, and my 2 sentences, and it starts with capital letters and with periods. And then you would go on to the next one, and you would do the same thing. So you'll end up with 3 places right here, similar to the tour I got here.